In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam ID. A Steam ID is a unique 17-digit number tied to your account. You'll need it for things like linking services, joining certain servers, or getting support. I'll show you 2 simple ways to find it, directly in the Steam application and through a web browser. Follow along, and I'll point out what to look for and how to make sure you've got the right number. First, let's do this in the Steam application on your computer. Open Steam. In the top right corner, click your username to open the menu. From here, choose View My Profile, or you can select Account Details if that's what you prefer. On your profile page, look for the 17-digit Steam ID. You'll find it either in the profile URL after the word Profiles or displayed directly under your username on the page. If you see a long number that's exactly 17 digits, that's the one you need. Copy it carefully and keep it somewhere safe. A quick tip: if it doesn't look like a number or it's shorter than 17 digits, you're probably looking at a custom profile link or a nickname, not the Steam ID. Now, let's find the same thing in a web browser. Open your browser and go to steamcommunity.com, then log in. Once you're signed in, click your username in the top right corner and choose View My Profile. Look at the address bar at the top of the browser. Your Steam ID appears as a numeric value after ID or Profiles. If the URL includes those segments and you see a string of numbers that's 17 digits long, that's your Steam ID. Copy it as is, without any extra characters or spaces, and you're good to go. Both methods lead to the exact same result, so use whichever is more convenient. Remember, your Steam ID is not a password or secret, but it is tied to your account identity. Share it only when necessary, and always double-check that you've captured all 17 digits. If an app or service asks for your Steam ID, paste this number in exactly, and it should work right away. That's all you need to find your Steam ID. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.